You got bronchitis again, but you're sick of having to spend money on a copay just to have to spend more money at the pharmacy when you're done? Same. Let me show you what I use. I use mullein drops. It's just mullein leaf extract, and this has been used for centuries to help with respiratory issues. I use mullein drops every single time. I'm talking wheezing, lingering cough, tightness of the chest. This gets in there, loosens it all up, and gets it out. I'm gonna warn you now though, all the stuff that came out of my chest, it was disgusting. I was hacking up loogies, mucus, like thick green disgustingness. It was so worth it though, because I finally had relief and I could finally breathe again. I just checked because I'm running low, and these are on flash sale at a crazy discount with free shipping. So if you still see that orange shopping cart, it hasn't sold out yet, but it's about to. So if you see it, grab it before it's gone.